What's up, everybody? Hoggin' and Doggin', back with another video. Today in this video, me and Martinell are gonna be going to try and catch some bass at a little pond. And today is very special because we have a special guest. So me and Martinell, we just got all the stuff in the golf cart. We're gonna head on down there, and you'll see who the special guest is shortly. So stay tuned. Alright, everybody, just got out here and picked up our special guest, Rooster. Hey, buddy. I was thinking on the way, right before I started this video, that Rooster doesn't really have enough screen time since he's just kind of a catch dog. He's not really the star of the show like Max. So I decided to give him his own little role today. He's gonna come bass fishing with us, and so is Martinell. So pond's right down the road, got all our stuff. And we're gonna see if we can't get on there. So stay tuned. Just got to the pond. There's Rooster right there, all collared up just in case he decides to run off. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be using today. So I got my rod and reel with a yellow and black spinnerbait. And what Martinell is using is she is using a spinnerbait with a green, neon green skirt and the same little cloth plastic I'm using. So, ready, Marge? Yeah. Alright, let's see if we can't get on there. Alright, everybody, just got down here to the pond. We're gonna step up on this and take a few casts right here at the thing, see if we can't catch nothing. Good, Rooster? Martinell, if you want to cast like down that way, yeah, just right out there, and then just kind of reel it, like just slowly reel it, okay? Here, come here. There's a fish right here. There he is. Little feller. Let's go right down here to the water. Perfect. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. First fish of the day. Right in the top of the mouth. Little bass. Really light colored fish. Rooster, look. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, another little bass right here. Get him up on the shore. There's a little feller. That is number 2, I believe. Rooster, come here. Ooh, that one's barely hooked too. Rooster, come here, bub. A little growth on it. Look, bud. Rooster says no thanks. He'll catch hogs, but he don't like little fish like this. Alright, we'll let the little fella go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're hooked up on what appears to be a little bit better of a fish. No, it's still a little feller. That is the 3rd one today. Rooster's over there. 66 yards, just hunting, just messing around. Grab our fish. There he is. Another one of spinnerbait. Spinnerbait seems to be working real good. Sweet. Turn him loose. Sweet. Sure do. Going hooking. Margaret Nell just hooked up on a fish on the spinnerbait. Saw the bubbles and cast it right on him. And he smoked it. Reel out there to him, Margaret Nell. Reel, walk up to him and reel. Stick your thumb in his mouth and pinch his mouth. Get him up on the shore so he doesn't get off. Right there, perfect. Go up there and pinch his mouth, like you know how to do it, right? Here, let me see. Hold him still. Hooked him good. Here. Good job.
But I feel bad because I think I cut his whole one.
No, that's just normal.
He's alive!
Perfect, fist bump. Margaret, here. Alright. What do you think about that, Rooster? Rooster's like, I don't know what to think about that. Alright, so you've only fished like 100 yards of the pond. We still got the whole thing left, and that's 4 fish. Now she's got a little fire underneath her. But yeah, we're just gonna fish the rest of the pond, and we'll keep y'all updated. Alright guys, so that was the video of me, Martinell, and Rooster doing our best to catch the fish. So, pretty good day. I think we got 5 fish in total, and thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.